I am taking part in a 15-minute decluttering midsummer competition, and we are going to win this thing. Oh yes, we are going to win. Hi everyone, Jennifer here, and welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. So you know I do this mega motivation collab once a month with Dawn from The Minimal Mom and all those lovely YouTubers. Well, this month we are doing a midsummer 15-minute declutter competition. And we're in competition with each other. So we're going to see who can declutter the most. Now I'm thinking I'm going to win because all of those ladies are super organized minimalists. What could they possibly have to declutter? I'm going to win this thing. So I actually have a really hot mess corner and I'm going to show it to you right now. Don't forget to check the playlist down below. You can watch all the other videos and determine for yourself who won. Okay, let me show you what we're going to be doing today. Okay, so you're all aware of this corner. This is our little toy corner in the downstairs office. And normally we like to keep things by categories. And it always gets messy. Why? Because the little ones play with it and they try their best to put things back by categories, but it doesn't always happen. So as a result, we have a lot of bins that just are full of things they shouldn't be full of. So I'm going to go through this and see how much I can get decluttered in 15 minutes. Now I normally do this with my children, but because I'm doing this for YouTube, I'm going to be doing it by myself. Lucky them. But here we go. I'm going to set the timer right now and let's begin. Okay, hi there. I generally don't like rushing, so I'm not really going to rush. But anyway, I'm going to start the 15 minutes right now. And I have a paper bag here. I've tied my hair back, so let's do this. I have no idea what I'm doing. Here we go. Okay, woo, let me sit down. So I don't normally rush like that. I'm a very take my time type of person, so that was kind of stressful for me. But I did get a lot accomplished, and I see why setting a 15-minute timer for something that's overwhelming like this, or I've got like hair in my face. I see why setting a 15-minute timer for something overwhelming like this is really good because it motivates you if you try to get it done within that 15 minutes. Because I have been putting this off for so long because I get so stressed by toys that are not in categories, that are not organized. So I think I did a lot. I'm kind of ruthless and I do throw away a lot. So there are things that we donate, but if it's just a big bag of mismatched, miscellaneous little parts to things, I do throw those away. So that's what I did here, and I really feel like we accomplished a lot. So the main thing is to get them in categories and to stay there. And then the older the children get, they know the category, right? And it really doesn't take that much. I mean, even my 2-year-old right now is able to put things back in the same category, but it doesn't always happen. So let me show you what I did. The toy shelf, not fully finished. There's a few things over here I need to go through. But basically, we have all the magnet tiles together now. All the dominoes are together. All of the train tracks and trains, and that's a bag of Jenga, that's together. In this one, I have robots and kind of miscellaneous toys, so I could probably still go through that one. This one is primarily Legos, the little one. I went through that one already. This is like baby stuff, so in categories, baby soft play, dollhouse stuff. And then this is miscellaneous that I need to go through, but that's an electrical kit thing that I have that they like to play with, a walkie-talkie and that type of thing. This is another miscellaneous. Maybe I'll combine the puzzles together, and then that headset needs to go into another room. So I'm feeling pretty happy with this now, and we could put some books or other toys in these two cubbies right here. So I'm out of breath. And I think now what is in order is a strong cup of tea. This cup of tea was well deserved. Okay, so what do you think? Do you think I won this competition? I think that for 15 minutes, I did a great job putting these things in categories and getting rid of all of those miscellaneous toys that we are never going to use. Thank you for joining me here today on the Daily Connoisseur. Don't forget to check out the Mega Motivation playlist down below. I hope that you put this video on while you decluttered your own space today and that you find a lot of motivation to get it done. Thank you so much for joining me here on the Daily Connoisseur. Keep calm and remain classy, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye. Hit my tooth on the tea.